Hi children, welcome back to the English class. So this is the second module and we are dealing with the chapter The Rat Trap written by Selma Lagerlof. So in the first module we discussed how the rat trap seller is being invited by the ironmaster and his daughter Edla Wilmanson in order to spend the Christmas together with them in the manor house. So after going into the manor house, he is getting new clothes and he is getting himself cleaned. So, with that, the Ironmaster is able to understand a shocking truth. What was that? The Ironmaster understands that he is not the person whom he thought he was. He was not Nils Alof, his old acquaintance. And now they are going to have a conversation which reveals the truth. Let us see what happens next. Continuing with the chapter, children. So the Ironmaster replied that the tramp was not honest on his part. He further told that the tramp must accept that the Ironmaster intends to call the sheriff to hand over the tramp to him. So who is a sheriff? A sheriff is any person or executive officer or what we call as policeman. So he is trying to call the sheriff to seek opinion of this matter. The tramp came forward and hit the table with his fist. He said to the ironmaster that he would explain what the situation was. So he is trying to say that the complete world is a rat trap. All good things in this world are baits meant to pull a person into the trap or trouble. So if you call sheriff, he may put me into prison. But Mr. Ironmaster, please remember, someday you will also get attracted to a bait and get caught in the trap. So this is the conversation that happens between the Ironmaster and the rat trap seller. You can see the image on screen. So he is telling how the world is a big rat trap. Let us continue. Actually, this was an attempt by him to avoid getting arrested by the sheriff. So the ironmaster laughed at the tramp. He said that the tramp had uttered his dialogues very well. We should not disturb the sheriff on Christmas Eve. He asked the tramp to go out of his house immediately. The tramp started opening the door and go out. So the daughter said that she did not want him to go out. He would stay with them on that day. After saying this, she closed the door. The ironmaster asked her what she was doing. He meant why she was doing this. So the daughter was ashamed of her act. She stood there but did not reply anything. So in the morning, Edla had thought that she would give a homely treatment to the tramp. She had considered him as poor, hungry and unfortunate person. So she will make everything good on the occasion of Christmas so that the peddler feels it was a festival day. She could not remove her thoughts immediately. Therefore, she had intervened to favor the vagabond. So the girl explained that she was thinking about the stranger. He walks throughout the year. Probably nowhere in the country he is welcomed and can get a homely environment. So wherever he goes, people ask him to go away. He has a fear of getting arrested and questioned by police. So I want him to have a one peaceful day with us. Only one day in the full year. And Master said something unclearly and it could not be heard. He could not oppose her thoughts. Let us continue and see what happens. Edla continued to say that it was certainly their mistake to bring the stranger home, but we have brought him here and promised happiness on Christmas. Therefore, we should not order him to go away. The ironmaster said that her arguments were worse than teaching by a priest. He hoped that she would not have to regret her decision later. She requested him to eat food. So she did this because she had understood that her father had accepted her thought. The peddler did not say anything. He sat down and ate food. So you can see the image on screen where Edla is inviting the rat trap seller so that he could enjoy one happy day with them on every Christmas. So the peddler did not say anything. He sat down and ate the food. Again and again he was looking at the girl who had intervened to favor him. After that incident, everything was usual at Ramsjow on Christmas Eve. The stranger did not make any trouble. He was sleeping and did nothing. During full afternoon, he was sleeping on the sofa of the guest room. So, in the afternoon, they woke up. the stranger so that he could have good food prepared for Christmas. After taking food, the tramp again slept. So probably he had never experienced quiet and safe environment as that house of Ironmaster. So in the evening, the lights of Christmas tree were switched on. They woke up the stranger. He was standing for some time in the drawing room. Later, they enjoyed their dinner and got up from the table. The tramp went to everybody and said thank you and good night. Then he came to say thank you to Edla. She told him that her father wants to gift him the suit that he was wearing as a Christmas present. He did not return the suit. She further told him that he would be welcome to their house on next Christmas Eve also. The rat trap maker did not reply anything. He looked at Edla with unlimited great surprise. So next morning, the Ironmaster and Edla got up and went to church for Christmas prayer. The tramp was sleeping and they did not wake him up. So around 10 o'clock, they were coming back from the church. The young girl was looking down. Her head was bowed. She was very sad, more than usual. At church, she understood that one of their old crafters was looted by a person. That person used to move around to sell rat traps. So she had understood that the person at their house was a thief. So her father told Edla that she had allowed a good person to stay in their house. He wondered how many silver teaspoons would be left in their house. So this is actually a sarcastic comment. So the carriage had barely stopped at the house. The Ironmaster asked Valet if the stranger was still in the house. The Ironmaster told him that the stranger was a thief. They had come to know about this at the church. So the servant answered that the stranger had already left the house and he has left a small packet as a Christmas gift for Miss Wilmanson. So he has requested her to kindly accept the gift. So the young girl opened the Christmas gift. So when the girl opened the package, she could see three things inside it. There was a small rat trap and three 10-kroner notes and also a letter. So in the letter it was written that he says that Edla have been very nice to him throughout the day. She gave him respect as if he was a captain. So he wanted to reward it back as if he was a real captain. So he did not want her to feel ashamed on the Christmas season. He also says that he has also kept a rat trap as a Christmas present and he is a person who was a rat. So he was caught in the rat trap of this world. But it was Edla who changed him into a captain. So it was Edla who changed him from a rat to a better person or a captain in particular. So because of her, he got the strength to become clear with his heart. So written with friendship and high respect, he signed the letter as Captain Wonstyle. So this is how the chapter ends. With the same letter, we can see the huge transformation of the rat trap seller, and inside his heart, he is now a captain who has got a clearer mind. So we'll wind up this module and we'll discuss further in the next module. Thank you all.